Hey, Chad with Concrete Floor Supply. Thought we'd introduce you to a color that's newer for us here at Concrete Floor Supply. It's called Carbon. We've had a huge increase of people that want a black type color. So here it is. Carbon, obviously there's a lot of black in there, and then you see a variated gray type color. So there's a few different colors in there. A great black color if you're looking for a black floor. Remember, when you do a flake, some people want a solid black. You don't want a solid black. You want a little bit of variation in there. So your floor actually looks good. If you have a solid color, they're really tough to look nice and even. So that subtle bit of variation is great. We do recommend, a lot of people will use our flakes with our Poly 90 product, base coat and top coat, better known as the one-day flake system. I will also tell you, with a color like black, it might be good to put our matte finish urethane over the top of the clear coat of Poly 90, and it really mats the floor down. The reason for that is black shows dirt a lot more. You may like black, but it shows dirt a lot more, like a black car. The matte finish urethane will help to a degree with showing footprints, and it'll keep it matte, kind of like matte black wheels or matte black on a car. So this is the Carbon color. Check it out.